Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, I want to take a look at Loom Network. This has gotten on my radar recently. A lot of you have been asking me questions about it. And so I did a little bit of a deep dive. I want to do a little bit of technical analysis just to see where we're going because this cryptocurrency has exploded recently. And so I don't want you to get burned, especially, the number one rule, don't chase green candles. And a lot of people have been asking about this cryptocurrency, thinking that it's new, but Loom has actually been around for quite a while, actually since 2018, since the very tail end of the bull run in 2018. I don't count it as a cryptocurrency that experienced that bull run because of how late it was created. But this is one worth looking into for different reasons. And so just looking at Loom Network, a couple of things that I want to point out here. First of all, I want to point out at coinmarketcap.com, you can see its all-time chart here, put in an all-time high in the spring of 2018 and launched right at the tail end of that bull run, like I said, then put in a lower high during the 2021 bull run and is right now, well, all right, not right now, but recently back above that lower high, which is pretty amazing given the time of the markets that we are in. And so again, that's a big reason why this is trending. There's a lot of volume. People are asking me a lot of questions about that. That's so unusual for a cryptocurrency like this, especially for a cryptocurrency that did exist in 2018. Now you can see here, it's down 36.47% today. The volume is down. This, unfortunately, in my opinion, looks like a high volume moment, if that makes sense. Now, there is an opportunity, buying opportunity coming up, but I just think of this as kind of a high volume moment where volume is then going to come back down a little bit more. I mean, if you're able to look at the volume here is higher than it's ever been, which is just unordinary, extraordinary during this time. I do want to point out something just as a means of caution. You got to prepare yourself for this. Market cap's 132. That just shot out of nowhere, really. But look at the price chart, all-time price chart versus the all-time market cap chart, and you can see market cap put in a new all-time high very recently. Another thing, this is extraordinary. Now, from a tokenomics perspective, it's okay because that is the result of tokenomics, the supply becoming in circulation over a long period of time. And you can see circulating supply 1.2 billion, total supply 1.3 billion. So just something to keep in mind. We're seeing green candles. We're seeing a lot of excitement with this cryptocurrency. Do not chase the green candles. But looking at where Loom is right now for a short-term play, there actually is some potential with this. And so here's what I'm looking at here. So Loom, from swing low right here to swing high, Heikin-Ashi candles. So it's not like every day here. This is a daily chart, and it's not like every day here was green. But when we pair the Heikin-Ashi candles with fibs, with stochastic RSI, we are pretty close to a new buying opportunity to at least ride this up to some kind of a retrace. Maybe it's a 0.5 retrace or a 618 golden pocket 702, something like that. What I am waiting for, what I would be waiting for, I live in the United States, so my options for trading derivatives are not all that much, but there are some possibilities, but I'm waiting for a move down to this 236 fib level. We're very close right now. At least we wicked down to that level, almost that level, but didn't quite get there. I would expect we're between the 236 and the 382 here. I would expect some kind of move down here before another bounce, and I would personally be looking to take profits at a 618 retrace. Maybe a 0.5, a little bit of profits at a 0.5, but a 618. I think that given the acceleration here, given the momentum over the last several weeks, we have 6 weeks of just almost up only price action here. This would be about the peak, the local top. That's my opinion. Maybe you disagree, but I think that that's the local top, but we have room for some kind of a retrace here. So I'm waiting personally for that. This wick right here was not enough. I'm waiting for another move down, specifically at the 236, maybe a wick below it, but I wouldn't wait at the 236 here. And then another bounce, and you can see, 618 retracement, that would be more than a 2x. from the entry points here. So personally, that's what I'm looking for. Stochastic looks like, we can get more into oversold territory, which is why I'm waiting. And then I'm waiting for a little bit of an arch up, and hopefully that aligns with this 236 retracement here before another move higher in the stochastic. And invalidation would be about 20% below that 236. So I'm willing to take a 20% loss. I'm not doing high leverage trading personally, but I'd be willing to take a 20% loss in order to what I think would be getting in a high reward, low risk position here at the 236 at 14.6 cents. So that's my strategy with this, but I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section of this video. Where do you think Loom is going? Do you think, 50 cents was not the peak for 2023? I'd love to hear why. Love to hear your thoughts in the comment section of this video. Otherwise, I will see you in another video.